Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Agnita Siska Pramastiasari from Universitas PGRI Semarang and my colleagues. Today, we would like to present our paper entitled Developing Instrument Test of Mathematical Literacy based on STEM PjBL using ADDIE model. Mathematical literacy is one of the eminent skills in the learning process in the 21st century. However, the mathematical skill ability of junior high school students in Indonesia, revealed from PISA, the results show that it needs some improvement. Therefore, there is a need to provide the students with the mathematical problems that use context in the daily life. However, this is not enough. We still need to provide the student with a test that provide them to understand and reasoning. Therefore, the integration of STEM PjBL is enable the students to understanding the problems, plan the solution, and implement it to the problem. So, developing the instrument test of mathematical literacy, which involve the integration STEM PjBL aspects have a potential role, should be done to measure this ability. The research purpose is develop the instrument test of mathematical literacy based on the integration of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics and project-based learning, which is valid and practical to be implemented. This research employ the research and development approach by using the ADDIE analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation model. In the analysis stage, the researcher is analyzing the student's needs. The possible topic need to be developed, the student's characteristic, and the solution of that problem by developing the instrument test of mathematical literacy based on STEM PjBL aspect. And on the next step, design, determining the topic to be developed, deciding the use mathematical literacy indicator, identifying the latest problem, considering the contextual problems on the chosen topic, and considering as well the STEM PjBL aspect to be embedded on the problems. Plus, predicting the number of question items and the time allocation of completing the test. In the development section, the latest problems were determined based on the indicator mathematical literacy by OJC. Then develop that questions item based on the latest problem and indicator of mathematical literacy. At last, we solve the problem and make the scoring rubric. After the development, we did implementation, where the developed test on the previous stage was validated by the expert validator, and then the revised product was implemented for the classroom assessment as a piloting study. The student results from the classroom implementation were evaluated to check its validity and reliability. Therefore, the developed instrument could be continuously evaluated for further improvement. Result and discussion, we obtained that the students need to be accustomed with the mathematical word problems which connected to the contextual problem in their daily life. The topic of pola bilangan was chosen as the material that possible to be developed with PjBL STEM. So this is the problem that we have developed for instrument test mathematical literacy. There are 4 questions which consist of several items in topic pola bilangan. So it's problem related to the real life, so it's contextual for the students. Then it's also involve the STEM PjBL aspect, that is can promote the student to do some activity, such as in the first problem the student could use the stick or ice cream stick or the magic stick to prove or trying designing the problem as visualized in the problem, and then they can solve it by doing some experiment and trial error until they can solve the problem. So here the engineering design process in the STEM will be involved. This is the question number 3 and 4. This is also the contextual problem related to the movie theater, and then yes, this is movie theater. And this is the result from the expert validator, which is consists of 8 aspects, where point 1 until 6 show the indicator of mathematical literacy by OJC, and then the 7 is construction problem, and the last is language, where the average score is 4.07, means that include in the valid criteria. And this is the win-step analysis based on the person reliability, Cronbach alpha, and item reliability. The question on the instrument test of mathematical literacy is consistent and reliable since the score is more than 0.7. And the difficulty level on moderate level. And we have 3 categories for distinguished power: item valid outfit MMSQ and item valid outfit CSTD, where all the questions are valid except item 2.B. Therefore, we deleted point 2B, or we can also improve the quality of point 2B. So this is the end of my presentation. It can be concluded that the developed instrument test of mathematical literacy based on STEM PjBL aspects is valid and practical to be implemented. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.